What can be said about the documentary? Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. The documentary confuses a casual viewer about different opinions on minimalism. The paragraph states that the documentary is a series of interviews from various experts and that these experts make arguments that are more convincing than other arguments. So, although it can be inferred that there are different opinions about minimalism presented in the documentary, the passage makes no suggestion about whether these opinions confuse a casual viewer. So, this answer choice cannot be established. So, let's eliminate it. Answer choice B. It presents a cliched rather than well-researched opinions on minimalism. The passage says that the documentary covers well-worn ground in terms of critiquing consumerism and that there is hardly anything that is unique. So it can be inferred that the document presents a cliched view about minimalism. Also, the passage says that the experts in the documentary make arguments that are more convincing than other arguments. And towards the end of the passage, it also says that among the contributors, there are some differences of opinion with respect to the actual definition of minimalism. So overall, it can be inferred that the documentary is not well researched about minimalism. So this answer choice can be established both for being cliched and not being well researched. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. The documentary offers novel perspectives. The first half of the passage says that the documentary covers well-worn ground in terms of critiquing consumerism, and it also says that there is hardly anything in the documentary that is unique. So these references, well-worn ground and not having anything unique, indicates that the documentary does not offer novel perspectives. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D does not reflect minimalism as generally perceived. The passage says that there are several arguments made in the documentary, and those made by the tiny house-dwelling people or the intentionally homeless family. These arguments are surely or absolutely truly minimalists in nature. Also, the passage says that those who are simply trying to throw away excess stuff and avoid excess clutter are just thrifty and organizing, but do not reflect the true spirit of minimalism. So it can be inferred that the documentary presents all sorts of views about minimalism, and it is incorrect to state that the documentary does not reflect minimalism as generally perceived. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E comments consumerism. The first half of the passage says that the documentary covers well-worn ground in terms of critiquing consumerism. So it can be inferred that the documentary as a whole critiques consumerism rather than comments or praises consumerism. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer choice.